Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to Gigabyte driver and then you can see here right hand side to search button, just click it and then type your model number of motherboard which is required to driver. Then click to guys product. Then click the name of the title. So guys, then click to support. Then guys, select your operating system Windows 10 11 which is required. So select any installations process which is I am saying like same. Okay, audio driver, download, wait few seconds, you can see here 116 size. Then click to open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system, to your driver, to your system. Now you can see this is audio driver installing. So it will complete means automatically closed. So when it is automatically closed, so you can see this automatically showing here hidden side here. Then close.